welcome to this week's Take and Make for teens at the Simsbury Public Library. I am your friendly neighborhood librarian, Mary. I'm going to be showing you what we're making today. So today's bag is Tetris Magnets, and you're like, why are we doing Tetris Magnets? Because Tetris premiered in June of 1984, so it is officially like 37 years old. So let's celebrate it by making some magnets. So in each one of your bags, you're going to find like a little slip. You'll also have some blocks and a couple magnets. So you'll be able to make 3 different magnets from the 3 different tetraminos. So the tetraminos are the little different Tetris blocks. And don't feel like you have to make the blocks the same color as the tetraminos. You can mix it up, you can mix and match. If you want to paint them different colors, if you have paint at home, go for it. So this craft pretty much has everything in the bag except you will need glue. So for example, here is my glue and here's my bag, and we're going to make some Tetris blocks. Well, Tetris block magnets. And I will say the magnets are very small, so when you dump them out, be careful not to lose them. Also, make sure that you glue the magnetic part that will stick to the magnet, to stick to the metal. Don't glue that to the wood. You want to glue the other side. And you can test that out for yourself, that you can find like your fridge or whatnot to kind of make sure that you have the glue on the right side. All right, so let's make some Tetris magnets. Okay, so let's see what we have in our bag. And this is probably going to shake a little bit with this table, so my apologies. All right, so we got some beads. We are just going to make one tetrino today. And that tetrino is going to look like one of these. So these are the different tetramino shapes that you can pick from to make your magnet, which are right here. So I'm going to do the purple guy in this hot pink. So it's pretty simple. You just take the beads and you glue them together. So I'm going to try and also make sure that the holes don't show quite as much when I line them up. So yeah. Then also I have these teeny tiny magnets. Again, don't lose them because they're very easily to lose. And then we will glue this guy on the back. So let's make a magnet.